You know, I believe you're exaggerating this thing a little bit too much. We have the main dining, we have the gazebo, and Miss Prendergast always expressed that she wanted a stage.
Okay, I'm not opposed to a stage. But why does it have to be the size of the National Indoor Center?
Seeing that you have an issue with the stage, Miss Prendergast is actually the person that you need to take up this issue with. Miss Prendergast is the one who told me to ensure that the stage was in.
Okay, Miss Brissett. She told you to put in a stage, right? I have no qualms with that. My problem is the size of the stage. Understand? It messes with the ease of flow for the servers. It messes with the seating capacity that we have here. It messes with a lot of things. And I really do appreciate it if these things are run by me before we start doing them.
I really don't see how the stage messes with the ease of flow. Main dining, stage. And in the last meeting, Miss Prendergast was gunning for this to be an entertainment facility. And I'm sorry if you weren't in the meeting, you weren't briefed.
Okay, let's just shut down this entire thing then and turn it into an entertainment facility with a stage and a space that you all want. I just think you guys are putting too much unnecessary efforts in this entertainment thing.
You know, I have an issue with those two words, unnecessary and effort. The place is a restaurant and bar and lounge. I was brought in to provide entertainment as an entertainment director, and I'm here to do just that.
Oh, so that is why you took Tonyan off the floor last week, Friday, to have her dancing and gallivanting like she's not here to do her job as a server? And all of this without consulting me.
I consulted with Miss
Do
Prendergast.
not bring up that name again. I am the overall manager here, and everything should go through me. I should make sure that everything is running the way it is supposed to. And when you take Tonian off the floor, it messes with a system that we already have no hold on, a system I'm trying to make sure works for this company. I mean, they lack simple serving etiquette. They don't know much about serving.
I really do not believe that applies to Tony Ann. 3 consecutive weeks, she has been on top. Customers have been giving her 5-star marks.
Oh, so she knows everything now. And that's why you had to take her to become a dancer. Why don't we just make this a go-go club then?
Honestly, don't know what the issue is, why you are fighting so much for this place not to be a culture hub.
I'm not fighting anything, Miss Brissett, and that's what you're failing to understand. I don't think that we should be focusing so much on the entertainment while the service dwindles. I just don't think that the entertainment should be high and the service low, right? Follow me. We do the entertainment. Okay, fine. We draw in people. People come here and they get bad service. Do you think they'll come back no matter the amount of entertainment that we put in this place?
I have absolute confidence that you will make sure that our service here is top tier. I will definitely make sure that our patrons are entertained. Oh, and Tanya Stevens is going to be needing a room for us to put her up.
No, 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 no. That's not in the budget.
Are you aware that she's doing this show for free?
And are you aware that you should have thought about the budget before you got your A-lister singing lady?
Singing lady. How long have you been here? A year? Excuse me, Miss Saunders. I believe I'm talking to the wrong person. I'll take this up with Miss Prendergast, your boss.
Excuse me? I'll have you know that I was contracted to this business, not to any one person. And as a matter of fact, that little girl, Tonian, I heard that you're going to have her dancing on the night. And that's not going to happen because I need her on the floor. And if this little hullabaloo thing kicks off the way how you want it to, we're going to need as much help as we can get. And if she decides not to, just let her know that she can continue jamming, not on the floor, but out the door.
We're jamming. We're jamming, we're jamming, we're jamming, we're jamming, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you.
What the backside?
Why are you just sitting here?
There is no one on the floor, Miss Sanders.
Okay. Well, listen to me. See, on the 26th of this month, you are commissioned to work on the floor, right? And should you do anything but that, you and I are going to have a little talk that might be your expiration here. Have a good night.
Ah, Miss Saunders, a minute, please. I don't know what I'm going to do to get good help around here. Let me tell you something, Miss Saunders. How dare you around here walking and telling the people that you are the one that runs this establishment? I own this business and you work for me.
Excuse
You
me?
don't own this business. You don't run this business. You know what? You know what, Miss Saunders? Today is a good day and I look good. So I want my mood to stay good. Stay in your place and understand that I own this establishment. You work for me. Rubbish.
I'm ready to leave. Come and get me.